I have to cook before going to work. The food I'm about to make, though, is very simple. Because these are going into the stove. You can tell what these are. And I'm cooking them with salmon, my favorite dish. I used to think I love salmon with sweet potatoes, but I boil the sweet potatoes and maybe I should start roasting them instead and see how I like it that way. You see, in terms of the size that I like, yeah. You have to wash them. Of all these, of all of them, this one's the thickest, followed by this one. This one's the least thick. I mean, all could do very well. Same effect. But I'd prefer this one. Okay? Because pleasure is pain. And good pain is good pain. You know? So now you have to split them in half. This is obviously too long. Like... And you have to like create veins, you know, slit the sides. So that it cooks quicker. I once watched a video, I think it was based in Brazil. I don't remember entirely, but they cut off this man's penis, bro. Imagine. Okay? And the nigga was just sitting down. I don't think he was wearing any clothes. He was just sitting down. It's almost like he's in shock. Like, imagine. Your penis is just gone. Your manhood. Your pleasure sensor. Your everything. Imagine someone cuts off my vagina. But, you know, they do that. It's called FMG, FGM. FGM. But we ain't gonna get into all of that. So, this is what it looks like. Show you from the top. You see that? No oil or nothing is needed. You just put it in. Bake at 400. Ooh. See that? This has been marinating since yesterday. So it's been a good, I don't know, not 24 hours, but almost. Don't. I have to just cut up onions and pepper. Very easy, very simple. There's the onion. And there's the pepper. What's your problem? Always make sure the handle is inwards because you don't want to burn yourself, you know? Yummy. See? All the food goes here. You know? This is what I put the plantain on. Don't need to use full paper. Just use this one. You're welcome. Did I tell you guys that this is brand new? And it's from Shein. Not Fashion Over this time. I have like 5 of these now. You guys love my pendant, so do I. I'll show you guys the after, but just imagine it this time. Very simple. You just season your salmon, you let it marinate, you cook it with oil, onions, pepper, and bake your plantain. The plantain should bake for like a good 35 minutes, I think. I don't check. I just check to see that like there's white stuff coming out. And then you can see that the slits that I created are bigger. You just know when it's cooked. Like, you know? It's just a thing. If you're a cook, you know when it's cooked and done. So, that's all for today.